So, readme. One in here. This ended up not being true. I thought it might be, but it wasn't. Open this guy. P2. Mini boot. XCST. What is it? XSCT. Make -f make dot my mini boot, and you're gonna get this. That doesn't work, so I have to write exec. Always forget that. Make -f make dot my mini boot. Oh my goodness. Because there's nothing to be done. If I use the -b flag on this, it'll actually just vaporize the contents of this file, so not going to do that. So I assume that this is correct. Moving on to the next stage, create Vivado project. Open Vivado 24. I am running 2024.2. This is asking for 2024.1. So what I end up doing is going into the, this is the wrong BD, I think. This is the right one. So copy that. Copy that over, place the file. That should be right. I'm going to edit with Notepad++ real quick. Make sure this is calling 2024.1. The chip is assigned right here, so it's going to be the KC105, so that's right. I just changed this to 2, so I'm hoping that there's not so much difference between 0.1 and 0.2 that this would break, and it's run before. So anyways, save that, minimize that. No, actually I need that open. Okay, readme. Source bd.tcl from this email, and it will create KC105 project with the attached BD included. Okay, so at that and then that should be where the bd.tcl it is so source bd.tcl. All right, created. Source, create HDL wrapper, choosing let Vivado manage. Sources, bing boom. Create HDL wrapper, let Vivado manage, check. Add constraint file top.xcc. Okay. Design sources. Add sources, constraints. Next. Add file. SPC. Repos. XIP2. Top.xcc. File name .xcc. Okay. Copy constraints file in the project. Check. Finish. Alright, he's in there. Configure spikes for setting including for quad spell take production. Okay. Generate block design. much sake. All right, there we go. So the next step is going to associate the ELF file. It's tools, associate ELF files. And we are targeting select my mini boot le.elf within design sources. So boot le.elf, check. Copy ELF files in project, why not? I assume this one, the simulation source probably can say the same. I'm not really running simulations, so it's not an issue. Set the bin option for bitstream generation. Okay. Didn't really give me that option. Just tools associate, select my menu with the design set bin option for bitstream generation. Oh, that's why, because it's asking me to do this next year. Right click on generate bitstream, select bitstream options. Right. Bitstream settings. Okay. We want to do bin file, check, apply. Okay. Okay. Implement Bravado design by choosing generate bitstream. Okay. I'll let that run for a while. Okay. Alright, so it's built out. We're going to export the hardware. File. Make sure I'm doing everything right here. Enable the bin file, implement file design by choosing generate bitstream. Check. Okay, yep. Basic stuff here. File export hardware. Next, include bitstream. Check. Next, we're going to call it. We'll just leave it as that because I feel like it's going to ask for that later on in the project. We'll just leave it there. Sure. Finish. Okay. Create the Hello World app that will run from QuadSpy XIP. Vitis Unified 2024.1. Vitis not classic. We're using 2024.2. Okay, we launch Vitis. All right. Bottle project. Create the Hello World app. Run Vitis. Okay. Open workspace. Choose new directory. Open a workspace. Set workspace. This PC. We'll make a new workspace in here. New folder. Workspace. New workspace. Check. Check. Select folder. All right. Create a standalone platform. Copy this. Create platform. Next. Workspace. Create platform. Next. We're going to browse to the XSA. Repos. XIP2. It's my project. Standard.xsa. That guy. Open. Don't need to worry about any of this. Next. Operating system. This is the app that will run from QuadSpy XIP. Now, technically, what we're doing is going to be free RTOS, but I'm going to leave it as standalone for now because I think it seems like that microblaze was set up for standalone. And I think that automatically would have populated here anyways. Okay, next. And it says use defaults, so finish. Okay. I typically run in the Vitus Classic, but this last time I did this through, it seemed to have worked okay. Now I'm going to create this new application. I noticed in the instructions it doesn't really say anything about setting the start address or any of that. Hopefully that's not a problem. File. New component. Application. Man, I'm all over the place today. Wordle. Hello world XIP. Why is that giving me problems? It's not. Next, select platform. It's gonna be this guy. Next. Next. Copy sources. Next. Wait, what was that asking? Import source? No, yeah. Next. Finish. Add the delivery application source. Okay, Vitus Explorer. Vitus components. Expand. Hello world. Sources. Source. Right click on source. Select import files. And browse to select all files in location hello world. So it's probably the load script right there that I have to worry about. Everything else should be fine. Open. So now we should have all those files on the source. There we go. Cool. Build it. Check. Alright. Looks, I don't see any errors here. Build finished successfully. That's good. Okay. So, hello world is built. Select Hello World XIP, flow build, generate L files located Hello World XIP output. Yep, double click on the Hello World XIP elf to do a MB object dump and view the contents. Okay, output. There we go. Okay, so there they are. Convert Hello World XIP into a .bin. So we're going to go back into, no, not here. Go back into here. We are in make mini boot that right now, so we'll go back. I think, yeah. Go to the Hello World. Oh, because it doesn't let me do that here. C : / you let me go here. C : repos / XIP2 / hello world. Hopefully. There we go. Okay, we're in hello world now. Create hello world XIP new bin command. We're not in build yet. Are we? I don't see a build in here. Oh, because I'm in the wrong workspace. / repos /XIP2 dir cd space workspace. Okay, dir. And we're looking for the hello world XP. So this is hello world. Of course, you're not going to let me do that. XIP. And this build. And I'm going to do okay, that ostensibly worked. Create QuadSpy MCS containing only the app with address offset to midpoint of QuadSpy. Note, both bitstream and app could be inserted into a single MCS using these equivalent steps. That makes sense. Vivado. Okay. So what are we doing here first? We're going to Vivado tools generate memory configuration file. Okay. Format MCS. Memory part MT25QL256 SPY X1 X2. Okay. So memory part check. MT25 QL. Nope. This thing. QL. I think it was a 256 for this board. 6. 256. Okay. QSpy QSpy underscore app MCS. Was it again QSpy? What was it again? Sorry. QSpy underscore app dot MCS. Okay, what else is next here? Memory part's correct. File name is correct. Interface is QuadSpy. Check. Load data files. Start address. Load data files. Check. Direction up. Check. Bit file. We're going to target the hello world XIP.bin. And we're doing the hello world workspace. Workspace. Hello world XIP. Build. XP.bin. Check. Okay, that's set. Data file. Overwrite selected. Check. And that ought to do it. So it generates the command there. Okay. Complete successfully. Check. Separately program the app and the bitstream in the QuadSpy board. Use the QuadSpy board. Select JTAG boot mode. I don't necessarily know what this means. I think that means I have to have a certain switch on that board set. So this could be part of the issue. Either way, I do have USBs plugged into both of the ports as it currently is set up. So Vivado Open Hardware Manager. Yeah. Auto connect. I assume that since this is providing me visibility into the memory and everything, that I have it connected correctly. I have pin 1 on shoot. I don't see a ref des. J57? Might be J57. Maybe a switch. Either way, there's a 6-pin switch on the board. I have pin 1 set to high on that. The rest are set to off. So hopefully that is what makes it set into JTAG mode. Okay. So board, yes, check. Open target, auto connect, yes. Add the quad spy to the FPGA. Right click on the FPGA, add configuration memory device. Yeah, and this is the FPGA because it is the KCU040. So add configuration memory device. And I think we're just adding the same memory again. MTQ. Yeah. MT25QL. 56. Quad spy. Should be the only two there. Yep. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so add the memory device. Check. It's going to ask me if I want to program it right now. No thanks, but it is added. Program the app into the quad spy. Okay, note the MCS contains the address information to place the app halfway into the quad spy. Right click on the quad spy, program configuration memory. Okay, program the app into the quad spy. No, MCS, yep, right click on the quad spy, program configuration memory. Configuration file, Vitus workspace. Oh, where was it again? Sorry. Vitus workspace, Hello World XIP, build quad spy app, MCS. Okay, so workspace, check. Vitus workspace, Hello World XIP. Build. There does not appear to be an MCS file in here. I thought I generated that. .mcs. File name quad spy. Did this get? Oh, I might have generated it somewhere else. No, that should have just been generated just now. Right? Yeah. Quad spy app .mcs build. Let's try this again, unless it got sent somewhere else, which it might have been. Yeah, weird. Try that one more time here. Tools. Generate memory configuration file. MCS. Memory part. Memory part. Check. File name. File name. Quad spy. MCS, but it's probably getting placed somewhere. Okay, so it got placed in my Vivado. That's why. Good old. Repos. XIP2. I'm gonna put it over there. Hello world. Workspace. Sorry, workspace. XIP. I'm gonna place it in there. I don't think. Anyways, the instructions didn't specify where it would end up being. I'm gonna save it there. There we go. So now I'm hard coding it there. Spy quad 4. 01. All right. Let me make sure that's right. Direction up. Bit file. So I'm gonna load the bit file again. Oh, wrong one. No. This is the hello world.bin, what I think is what I need to do. Yes, hello world xip.bin, check. Okay. Overwrite, check. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. So we're connected to this thing. Program configuration memory device. And now that's there. Okay.
Well, I don't need to keep you. Yeah.
Okay. Program the app in Quad Spy. Yes, this will affect only application address space. Okay. This might. Oh, you know, I even let it know for myself. It gets sent to the app data roaming. Don't do that. Address range configuration file only. Erase program verify. Check, check, check. Ignore the warning about the ILA cores. Apply. Okay. Part selected MTQL256, but the part MTQU256 was detected, so that's probably part of the issue. So I'm going to redo everything here. I'm going to go back to Tools, Generate Memory Configuration File. I'm going to do this one instead. Okay. Memory part check. That stays the same. That stays the same. So we're going to override it now with the QU part. Okay. It's odd though because it says that. Oh, because we added this. Okay, so we got to add it. What are we doing? I'm going to remove this real quick. Device. Add configuration device. So now we have to change this to MTQU. MT25 QU 256. Okay, so that's right. Yes. We're going to program with this Quad Spy MCS. That's fine. That we already have built. Yep. Apply. Okay. Okay, flash program completely successful. Okay, so it has now written the app into the memory. Didn't get this error, so hopefully that's not a problem. Program the bit stream into the Quad Spy. Since the bin is used, the address will be start of the Quad Spy. Since the bin is used, the address will be the start of Quad Spy. Yeah, that makes sense. Right click on the Quad Spy program configuration memory. And just make sure I did it right. Program. Okay, so we're program configuration memory again. Now we're going to send the MB preset wrapper.bin file. So I'm going to pop back up here. This should be in program configuration memory. Auto, DV runs, okay. It's going to be out of the workspace. My project runs. You in here? No. Implementation 1. It's going to be on that. That should just be in here. Okay, there we go. Check. Configure address range configuration file only. Yep. Erase program verified. Check. And apply and go. This one's going to take, I think, a little bit longer because the bin file's larger. All right. File programming completed successfully. Check. Okay, so next steps are to done. Board. Select Quad Spy mode. I don't know what that means. Connect terminal to USB UART port. This could be the issue, is select Quad Spy mode. Maybe I'm not doing that. Connect terminal to USB port, USB UART baud. So I am connected to both those terminals. Pause the video real quick and see if I can figure out what this means. Select Quad Spy mode. Master spy mode. With both switch 15.5 in the off, the bitstream program with dual quad spy flash devices is used to configure the ultra skill. Switch 15.6 off position. Okay, so with switch 15.6 on. Oh, but I want to run in the quad spy mode. So with both switch 15.6 and 15.5 in the off. So 15.6 is an off, and 15.5 is off. Advanced integrated configuration engine is used to configure the ultra scale FPGA U1 over JTAG with one of several bit streams stored on a micro SD card inserted. I wasn't doing that. So anyways, both of them are off. Maybe I need to do this whole process again with 15.6 on and 15.5 off. Maybe I had it backwards. Okay, either way, I'll fire up TerraTerm real quick. I'll connect to both of these guys. Serial port 1152. There's one. Here's the other one. These are the two that are made active when you plug in the USB UART. So there's that. Set up serial port 2, new setting. Okay. I'm going to power it off and power it back on. So there's the system controller one, and you can see this one doesn't do anything. So it could be I did that whole process, and maybe I need to redo it. Starting where it says board, select JTAG. Maybe I don't have this selected correctly. Let's see real quick, shall we? So according to this document, JTAG mode, switch 15.6 on. Switching on. And switch 15.5 in the off position. Either USB JTAG or JTAG cable can be used. Okay, so we are in JTAG mode. I would have thought these memory configure things would have failed if that was the case, if I'd done that wrong. Okay, so open Vivado Hardware Manager. Okay, so refresh device, FKCU. So presumably I'm in the correct mode at this point because I did set switch 15.6 to high and all the rest are low. There are no debug cores, don't really care. Okay, so I'm going to run this process again real quick. Open Hardware Manager, open Target Auto Connect, add the quad spy to the FPGA. I did do that, but let's go ahead and remove it again real quick just in case. Maybe the reason it was saying a weird memory device before is because. Oh, what's going on here? MT key. So we'll try this QL again. Maybe it's because I wasn't possibly in a JTAG mode. Do we want to do that just yet? It's like do, we want to program the QSpy app MCS. QSpy MCS. We're going to go back up here to the workspace. Hello world XIP build. QSpy app MCS. Erase program verify. Everything's correct. Apply. Okay. Flash program success part selected. Yeah, so it's still it's still a different program part. So that was right to keep that as MTQU. MTQU. Okay. Okay. QuadSpy app, MCS, check. That's all correct. Okay. Apply. Okay. Okay. Flash was programmed successfully. Check. Okay. Yes. Yep. So I've now programmed the I've programmed the app into the QuadSpy. Oh, no, I didn't. So we're programming the app and the bitstream of the QuadSpy. Okay, the address offset was set in here when I did the MCS build. Okay, so that address offset is in the MCS I generated. Okay, cool. So they got programmed to the appropriate place because of this. Check. Now I'm going to program the bitstream. So I'm going to go back into here and program configuration memory device. Change, instead of this, we're going to go up. Platform. No, sorry, not platform. My project. Runs, implementation 1, maybe preset wrapper bin, okay. Apply, okay. So now it is writing the bin file into there. And that's all programming. And then as soon as it's done, I'm going to set the switch back to low, the 15.6 back to low, which will put us into, I'm guessing, master spy mode. 15.6 and 15.5 in the off, disable system control enable position. A bitstream programmed into the dual QuadSpy flash is used to configure SCUF, which is what we want. U35, U36. Okay, so let the build, or let that program. Okay, all right. So flash program successfully. So at this point, I'm going to select QuadSpy mode by turning 15.6 to low. Go back to these TerraTerm windows. Cycle power. This shut down, which makes sense. And fingers crossed. Yeah, not looking good. This hangs. Maybe it'll take a second. Looks like this had the same issue. Invalid load address fail. Yeah, so something's missing. Hopefully this video is helpful.